Skip if you hate Jesus. Yes, that's what the enemy wants you to do right now. Scroll away. Ignore this message. Pretend you never saw it. But deep down, something in your heart is whispering, wait, don't skip. Because this is not just another video. This is a divine interruption. A moment heaven planned for you. God says, if you skip, you've already chosen. You've chosen distance over healing. You've chosen silence over my voice. You've chosen the world's noise over my peace. But if you're still here, that means you haven't given up on me. And child, I haven't given up on you either. I know you've been tired of praying and not seeing answers. Tired of pretending you're okay when your soul is breaking. But I'm telling you now, every sleepless night, every silent tear, I saw it all. And I'm still here, fighting for your heart. You've asked, God, why do I feel so alone? And I'm saying, because I've been calling you back to me. You've been surrounded by people, yet still empty. Because nothing can fill the space that belongs to me. Don't let guilt tell you you're too far gone. Don't let shame silence your worship. Your past doesn't disqualify you, it prepares you. I'm not angry at you. I'm calling you home. Home to peace. Home to purpose. Home to me. You think you found this message by accident? No, you were meant to see this. You were meant to hear these words. Because today is the day you stop running. Today is the day you say, Jesus, I'm ready. Ready to trust again. Ready to believe again. Ready to live again. So I'll ask you one more time. Will you skip? Or will you choose me? Because skipping this message doesn't change my love. But it does change your tomorrow. Your time is now. Don't scroll. Don't run. Just say, Lord, I'm still yours. This is your sign. This is your moment. This is your calling. Faith Talks USA.